start the show by extending my heartfelt gratitude and a big thank you to Nehru Center and the organizers. Archana has been very helpful to us, so thank you so much for providing this stage and this opportunity. And a warm welcome to every one of you who turned up on this cold evening. Thank you so much and hope you enjoy the show as well. Starting to introduce, I am Akhila and I'll be performing along with my friend Srimati Shweta Sandeep today. About Shweta Sandeep, she's a passionate Bharatanatyam dancer and she has been practicing Bharatanatyam for the past 20 years. And she began her Bharatanatyam journey at a very tender age of 5, and she is training under Guru um, Kala Prasti Natya Kala Sindhu and Natya Nilayam Sri Balakrishna. Since 2018, she has begun training under the guidance of Guru Srimati Ashwati, founder and principal of Pranjana Arts. And I have been practicing and performing and teaching Bharatanatyam for the past 25 years now. And I have been trained under the able guidance of Vidwan Sri Nagabhushan, who is a Karnataka Kala Shri awardee. I reside in Bath, and today I am here to present pieces which I have learned from my Guru Vidwan Sri Nagabhushan, and Shweta will be performing the pieces that has been taught by her teacher. So about bhakti, so bhakti is my favorite rasa. So if you have seen classical dance performances, Indian classical dance performances, we have various bhavas that we actually try and emote through our facial expressions, like bhakti. Then we have prema, which is love, and we do have krodha, which is anger, and we do have sadness, and we do have disgust. All these are different sorts of emotions that you try and emote. Today we have picked up bhakti rasa, which is nothing but devotion. It is also in the praise of God, it is in the admiration of the God, it is to thank the Almighty. It is to try and embrace the fact that we as part of universe are actually should be there is something that is beyond our control, that definitely is something that we cannot express. We try and do that through our body languages, through the way we feel about it, and that's what we are trying to showcase today. It is the spiritual connection where we try and come close to the cosmic self, if we can say, because we are all made up of the universal particles. So we try and go in depth to that and we try and emote. Today, we are starting our performance with the first dance, Pushpanjali, which is nothing but the beginning of any dance concert. Now, Pushpanjali in Bhakti Rasa is very important because here is where we welcome, here is where we thank, here is where we actually give our gratitude to our gurus, who also we consider as divine. We are grateful for your time and your presence here. And we are also grateful for this stage. So, this is what we try and do in Pushpanjali. And that is in Raga Nata and in Aditala. So, first stands Pushpanjali.
dagutang ding 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 kita daga dito daga diko day bam bam tam kita daga dito daga dagutang ding 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 kita daga dito daga diko day tam 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 kita daga dito daga dagutang ding 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 kita daga dito daga diko day tam 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 kita daga dito daga dagutang ding 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 kita daga dito daga diko day tam 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 kita daga dito daga dagutang ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಗನ ಮೋದಕಸ್ತ ಚಾಮರ ಕರ್ಣ ವಿಳಂಬಿದ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತರಿದತ್ತಂ ಕುತ ಕಿಟಕಿನ ತಂಗ ತೋಟಕ ತತ್ತೋ ದಿಂ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಗನ ಮೋದಕ ಚಮರ ಕರ್ಣ ವಿಳಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಗ ಮೋದಕ ಚಮರ ಕರ್ಣ ವಿಳಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುರದರಿದತ್ತಂ ಕುತ್ತ ಕಿಟಕಿನ ತಂಗ ತೋಟಕ ದಿಂ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ 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 ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
Thank you. That was the nice one. The next one is Ganesha Stuti. Ganesha Stuti in Bharatanatyam is a devotional dance piece performed at the beginning of the recital dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, where the dancer invokes his blessings for a successful performance by using specific hand gestures, that is mudras, and expression to depict his attributes and stories, essentially asking for a smooth and flawless dance presentation.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं 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 भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं भजामि सततं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं
तक्क तिम्मे तरकिडतक तक्क तिम्मे तरकिडतक तित्तं तकिट्ट धिन्न तित्तं तकिट्ट धिन्न
अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरो अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरो गणादिसन्मुत पद पद्मकरं गणादिसन्मुत पद पद्मकरं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं गुरुगुहाग्रजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं भजामि सततं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरधरकरं गुरुगुहाग्रजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं
Thank you, Shweta. So the next piece that Akhila, I will be performing, is called as Kamakshi. It is a song which is in the praise of Devi Kamakshi, the goddess Kamakshi, from the 16,000 years old temple, which is located in Kanchi, India. So this is in the praise of this goddess, and again it is filled with bhakti rasa, because the writer, the composer in the song describes the beauty of the goddess, not just the beauty of the goddess. He ultimately says that she's not just beautiful, she's my mother, she's the most powerful person, or a belief that I can carry with me. And he asks her to be with him forever. And I think that's what we all need, a divine, just a belief. There is a belief that that one power will always be with us. And no matter what, I think that will give us enormous confidence. So this is Kamakshi in the Ragha Bhairavi. And Tala Vishwachaputala, composer Shama Shastri.
కామాక్షి అంబా కంచి కామాక్షి అంబా కంచి కామాక్షి అంబా తను దినము మరవకనే నీ పాదమునుది కనుచునోమిదినిసి కంచి కామాక్షి అంబా తను దినము మరవకనే నీ పాదమునుది కనుచునోమిదినిసి కంచి కామాక్షి అంబా తను దినము మరవకనే నీ పాదమునుది కనుచునోమిదినిసి కంచి కామాక్షి అంబా తను దినము మరవకనే నీ పాదమునుది కనుచునోమిదినిసి కంచి కామాక్షి అంబా తను దినము మరవకనే నీ పాదమునుది కనుచునోమిదినిసి కంచి కామాక్షి అంబా సారి నిసరి నిరి సని సారి కామాక్షి అంబా కుందరతనా నయన తల్లిర క్షించు కుందరదన కువలయ నయన తల్లిర క్షించు కామాక్షి అంబా రి గరి గస ని గరి సరి ని రి స ని ద ని గా రి రి గరి గస ని గరి సరి ని రి స ని ద ని గా రి గా మాక్షి అంబా ಕಂಬುಗಳನಿ ರದಚಿಕುರ ವಿಧುವದನ ಮಾಯೋಮ ಕಂಬುಗಳನಿ ರದಚಿಕುರ ವಿಧುವದನ ಮಾಯೋಮ ಕಂಬುಗಳನಿ ರದಚಿಕುರ ವಿಧುವದನ మాక్షి అంబా గామ గరి సరి ని సని సరి గ పాప గరి గమ పాత మగరి సని సని గ రి గ మా పద ని ని ద ప ప మ గరి స క మాక్షి కంబా కుచమద మద ఖజగమ పద్మ భవ గరి శంభునుత పద శంకరి నీపున చింతన విగతి చమ్మాయి పుడు కుంభ కుచమద మద ఖజగమ పద్మ భవ గరి శంభునుత పద శంకరి నీవున చింతన విగతి చౌమా ఇప్పుడు కామాక్షి అంబా మా పని ధమా పద పమ గరి గమ ప పగ పాక పమ గరి ని సరి ని సరి ని సరి గమ పాత ని స ప స ని స పమ గరి క మాక్షి అంబా భక్తజన కల్పలతికా కరుణాలయా సదయా గిరితనయ కావవి శరణాగతుడు గదతా మసముసేయ కవరమసగు భక్తజన కల్పలతికా కరుణాలయా సదయా గిరితనయ కావవి శరణాగతుడు భరతుడు గదత మాసము సేయక వరమొదగుతా మాగక్షి అంబా సాగరి సరి సారి నీ దమ పాతని దని సా దని సరి సని దప మగ మగరి సని సా రి గమ పగ మగరి సని సా పమ పాధాని సా మగ ప్రీ కరి తారి నీ దప మగ నీ కరి మహర్షి అంబా శ్యామ కృష్ణ సహోదరి శివ శంకరి పరమేశ్వరి హరిహరాదులకుని మహిమలు గణిం పతరమా సుతుడమ్మా అభిమా నములే ధానాపై దేవి పరా కేలని బ్రోవమే పురుషే భైరవి శ్యామ కృష్ణ సహోదరి శివ శంకరి పరమేశ్వరి హరిహరాదులకుని మహిమలు గణిం పతరమా సుతుడమ్మా అభిమా నములే దానాపై దేవి పరా కేలని బ్రోవవేగి పొడుటి భైరవి కాక్షి అంబా అనుదినము మరవకనే నీ పాదమునుది కంచునో మిదినికి కంచికాక్షి అంబా
Beautiful, Kanchi Kamakshi. So the next performance is, again, I am doing it, Shweta, and it's a Todaya Mangalam, a set of songs welcoming the God with his auspiciousness. Through this, we are praising the Lord Mahavishnu, and here the poet starts by applauding victory to the Lord of Janki, to the protector of Vibhishana, to the Lord of lotus-like feet, and to the Lord that dispels all the darkness. Jaya Janaki Ramana, Ragam Ragamalika, Talam Talamalika by Sri Annamalai.
जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग शरण जय दीन करुणा जय 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 जानकी रमण जय विभीषण ನಗದರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಮುರಗರ ನಗದರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಭವ ಭಂಜನ ಕೇಶವ ರಘಮುಖ ಸತೀರ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣತೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರದ ಸಂನುತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಮುರಗರ ನಗದರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಭವ ಭಂಜನ ಕೇಶವ ನರ ಮೃಗ ಶರೀರ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣತೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರದ ಸಂನುತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಮೃಗಧರ ನಗಧರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಭವ ಭಂಜನ ಕೇಶವ ನರ ಮೃಗ ಶರೀರ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣತೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರದ ಸಂನುತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದೇವೇಶಗಣಾರಾಧಿತ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬುಜ ಪಾದ ದೇವೇಶಗಣಾರಾಧಿತ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬುಜ ಪಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟಗಿರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಿತ ದೇವೇಶಗಣರಾಧಿತ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬುಜ ಪಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟಗಿರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಿತ ಗಣಾರಾಧಿತ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬುಜ ಪಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟಗಿರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತೆ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಧು ಮೋರ ಹರತೆ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತೆ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಧು ಮೋರ ಹರತೆ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತೆ
Thank you, Shweta. That was really mesmerizing. Now, the next piece that I would like to perform is Jagadodharana. So, when I say Jagadodharana, I think most of you would have heard this song, and it is a perfect example or a perfect piece to portray bhakti. Why? It's because the Purandara Dasa, who is a great poet, has imagined how Krishna came as a child to this bhumi, that is, to this uh, earth, and he was actually like a child. He was actually like a boy, and then he was like a adult. He lived the life like us, like human beings. And Mother Yashoda, who is not a biological mom, actually adopts him, and she raises him thinking that he is just a child. For her, he is just a child. She doesn't know that he is the supreme Vishnu, or that he is the incarnation of Vishnu himself. So this innocence, the Yashoda's love and care as a mother, and her innocence is beautifully portrayed in this musical piece. And it is also one of the best piece for bhaktis, because here the dancer actually changes the personality, and she tries to imagine herself as the mother of the Lord himself, and she tries to do the abhinaya, and she tries to emote her bhakti through this personality. That's the mother. So this is Jagadodharana in the raga Hindustani Kapi and Tala Adi, composed by none other than Purandara Dasa.
जगदो धारना जगदो जगदो धारना जगदो धारना जगदो धारना आटी सीधड़ शोदा जगदो जगदो धारना मगनिंदु तीडियुत जगदो धारना ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಮಗುಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಮಗುಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಮಗುಗಳ ಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಜಗಗೋಪಾಲನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಜಗಗೋಪಾಲನ ಅಣೋರಣೀಯನ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹಿಮನ ಅಣೋರಣೀಯನ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹಿಮನ ಗಣೋರಣೀಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷನ ಪರವಾಸುದೇವನ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷನ ಪರವಾಸುದೇವನ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷನ ಪರವಾಸುದೇವನ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ 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 ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಜಗದೋ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳ ಶೋಧ
Next, after she, how much she adores the son, Krishna. So now we will be performing a lot of Krishna pieces, as you could see. That's because Bhakti Rasa is mostly in the praise of Krishna in his, like as a child, as a adult, and also as the one who gave the Bhagavad Gita to this world. So that is the reason we have a lot of classical dance pieces, especially in Bharatanatyam, based on Krishna. Now, the next song that we will be performing will be performed by both of us, Shweta and Akhila, and we'll be performing a very, very nice, maybe a playful piece called Taye Yashoda, where you saw a small baby Krishna being adored by his mother. There was also the other side of it. There were so many people who had complaints about the same Krishna who was adored and felt he was the cutest. Some people did say that he was cute, but very, very mischievous. So this song explores that side of Krishna, and there is a subtle praise and the subtle happiness that is, derived by the composer through this song. Again, it is a very nice bhakti piece, slightly composed in a different way. So this is Taye Yashoda.
பையனை போலவே இந்த மையகத்தில் ஒரு பிள்ளை அம்மம்மா நான் கண்டதில்லை தையலை கிளடி முந்தன் பையனை போலவே இந்த மையகத்தில் ஒரு பிள்ளை அம்மம்மா நான் கண்டதில்லை தையலை கிளடி முந்தன் பையனை